Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Superb Together. Today I'm back with another video that is based on English speaking. So those who are really interested in English speaking and who are struggling with the language and who really wants to start speaking in English. So this video is especially for those. Okay, so in this video I'm going to share with you some tips, or you can say these are the some methods and techniques that are going to help you in speaking English. So if you are a beginner like me and you want to learn this language, so these tips are really going to help you. Try them at least at once and then tell me, are they really helping you or not? Okay, so let's discuss these tips one by one. uh, Stay connected till the end of the video so that you will be able to learn at least some points from me, and if not then also share it through the comment section below, and like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's start it. So the first point is listen more. Start listening to English contents. Start listening to audios or videos that are available on YouTube channels and in different websites also. Because once you develop your listening skills, then it will be very easy for you to learn English speaking. Because the more you hear, the more you listen, the easier it will be for you to speak better English. When we listen, because when we listen we learn new vocabulary, new sentences and phrases, and we become familiar with the language, so then it will be very easy to speak. So first start develop this habit of listening more before speaking. The second point that I would like to share with you is that speak to yourself. It looks quite funny and witty also that we are speaking to ourselves. But by talking to yourself in English, you will learn to pronounce every letter in the English alphabet, and you will become more familiar with the language, and it will become very easy for you to speak with others also. So first start speaking to yourself and gain some confidence, and when you become quite confident then start speaking with others also. Okay, so the third point is speak to others. So once you started listening English content and started speaking to yourself, then you may gain some confidence, and you may also learn some new words and phrases, maybe some new sentences you will learn. So after that it will be easy for you to speak with others. Okay, so speak with others, with your family members, with your friends, with your siblings, and then you will become more confident. Okay, so first you have to listen and then you have to speak to yourself, and the third point is start speaking with others. Now this point is very important, that is related to your fear of judgment, fear of public speaking, fear of making errors. Okay, so it's perfectly okay if you make errors, if you make mistake, then it's fine. Don't afraid to make mistake, because if you are making mistake then it is a proof that you are trying. Okay, in the initial stage, in the beginning, don't try to be a perfect speaker. Everyone make mistakes are the part of our life, so it's okay if you are making mistake in the initial stage, as I'm also making a lot of errors because I'm learning, I'm in the basic stage right now. So once we practice it, then one day will come that, and then we will become a good speaker definitely. So try and practice a lot, practice with others, and that will surely going to help you. The last point that I would like to share with you is have patience and be consistent. And this is really important because we practice for speaking 1 or 2 days, and after that we quit. After that we thought that it will not going to work and we are not going to learn this language. Okay, so it's not like that. We have to be consistent, we have to practice regularly, and sometimes it take a month, sometimes it take years also, because it's a journey. It's a journey of learning a language. So it differs from person to person. Some people learn it easily, some people learn it within 2 3 months, some people take time. But it's okay, because the learning of every individual differs from one another. Okay, so it's fine. You have to practice regularly, you have to work consistently, and have patience. And definitely one day we will learn this language and we will become superb together. And that is the main aim of this channel. So thank you, everyone. Now take care of yourself, your family. Have a good day. Bye bye. And don't forget to practice, and don't forget to follow these tips. If you really want to learn the language, then try to follow at least, because these tips really help me. So maybe they will also help you. So try them, and bye bye.